Thank you for tuning in. We take you behind the scenes. We're going to show you what's happening here at Blackout. We'll start at the Latrobe store like we typically do. Behind me, Caleb working on a ceramic coating on this Honda. Lots of prep work goes into a ceramic coating. Lots of polishing that happens before the coating goes down. That's where the magic is. That's what he's working on now. And speaking of that, lots of polishing. Behind John, we have a monster. This is a RV, obviously. Full polish and ceramic coating on this. So every single inch has gone over by hand with a polisher. We're removing micro scratches and swirl marks. Not quite a full paint correction, but pretty darn close. This had a lot of swirl marks and like spider web looking things in, I guess, clear coat or gel coat or whatever these are. And we were able to remove those via polishing. So it looks really great right now. Coating is done on some parts, but not all. That should be finished up today. We have the Ferrari. This one was here for a full unwrap and rewrap. Got the adhesive removed. It's going to a paint shop for a decent amount of paint work, not because of the PPF, but because of just previous damage that was on the car. I think this car is a 2013, so it's like 12 years old. Some prior damage, things like this bumper, this piece is just kind of hanging out, rock chips, and he wants the car to be perfect when he gets it back, so we're working with the local painter to do that. On the lift, we have a GT3. Not just any GT3, I believe this is the Touring model, which is highly desirable. Yeah, it is the Touring. In ultraviolet. I love cool colors on cars. I had a purple Hellcat once. Mitch brought this in. We've done a lot of cars for Mitch. We're doing a full 10 mil PPF wrap, ceramic coating, tint as well. It's got a white interior with yellow stitching. Just a really cool car. You know I'm a Porsche guy, so thanks for bringing it in, Mitch. One of my favorite cars we've had in probably this year. Beside that, we have the new Juniper. We know everybody watching us loves Elon, and nobody would ever try to burn these to the ground. We love Elon. We love these cars. This is the new Tesla Model Y Juniper model. It's got like a full refresh, totally different look, front and back. Still the same interior, I think, and like the general chassis is the same. They didn't change any of that stuff. The doors, the pillars, all of that stuff stayed the same. In the tint bay, Terrell is working on a Subaru with his giant headphones on, living in his own world. Outside, we have a Kia K4 here for window tint, next to a GMC Canyon AT4X. Really nice truck. Big fan of these. Probably the best mid-size truck, in my opinion. Anyhow, it's here for a full PPF wrap in 10 mil, ceramic coating, window tint. I think we're even doing an interior ceramic coating for our friend Brian. Beside that's a 4Runner here for window tint as well. Over here we have a C7 Z06. It's been a while since we've seen a C7. Now it makes sense why Aaron said that car only has 300 miles on it. I didn't realize why that was special. I thought it was a C8 Z06. It's a C7. Car's in really great shape, obviously with 300 miles. I'm looking at the reflection of the sun. There's not even a micro scratch in this black paint. Very, very, very clean car. It's getting PPF on the whole front end, the rocker panels, and these entire rear quarters. These get beat up really badly. On these cars, you can even see the probably tire dressing or whatever that's all over the side of this. If there's tire dressing there, that means rocks are gonna end up there too. These need repainted often. So that's why that's here. Let's see what's happening in Gibsonia and Florida.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. First up is this Ford Mustang. Got a full paint correction and a 4-year ceramic coating. These are not the wheels the customer intends to keep on the vehicle. We have the other wheels and boxes in the back that we also got coated for the customer. Next up for some paint protection film is this C7 Corvette. This had PPF installed back when it was new. Not sure who did it, but it was involved in an accident. So we took off the remaining paint protection film. We're putting fresh stuff on the full front and the rocker panels. Next up for ceramic coating is this Porsche Macan. This vehicle was in the shop about 3-4 months ago for a full front clip PPF package. It is back in the shop this week for a full paint correction and ceramic coating. Over here we got Mark doing his thing on this vehicle from our friends at Swickley Car Store. This one is a 2025 BMW X5. Full paint correction, full 8-year Fusion Plus Premium ceramic coating. In the tint bay, we got Cole doing a Ford Ranger. This is getting 20% on the 2 front windows to match the factory tint along with the 5% visor. In the back, we got a couple BMWs. First up is Steve working on the frozen paint on the M240. As I mentioned, this is frozen paint from BMW, which is very, very important to protect. So you're doing a full stealth PPF wrap on the entire vehicle. And up on the lift is an M3. This was in the shop about 3-4 months ago as well. He did not have these aftermarket carbon fiber accessories on there at the time, so it's back in the shop now to get all of that stuff protected. So this is fully custom Austin's putting a lot of time getting full coverage on these pieces that really are a very complex shape. Outside, we have two vehicles behind me on deck for ceramic coatings. First up is this Ram 2500. This was in the shop a few months ago for a full front paint protection film package. It is back in for a full paint correction and a 4-year coating. And to its left is a Cadillac CT4V. This is in for a full polish and our 8-year Fusion Plus premium ceramic coating. Next up for a full wrap is the C8 here. Full body 8mm paint protection film, 20% on the 2 front windows, and a 4-year ceramic coating. This is our 5th vehicle for this same customer. So if you're watching, shout out Al Todd. Really awesome guy and loyal customer of ours. Another vehicle from Swickley Car Store is this brand new Audi Q3. This is in for a PPF package. We're doing the full front and the rocker panels. Last but not least, another vehicle from Swickley. This is a 2025 BMW X5, also in for a track package. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll kick it down to Felipe and the guys in South Florida.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today. Here we have this new Dodge Ram RHO. Basically a TRX, but it has a 6-cylinder twin turbo motor. And it's here for a full front, ceramic window tint, and a 4-year fusion coating over the top to make it shine. Here we have the guys finishing up the ceramic coating on this guy and going over all the PPF work that we did. Here we have this Mercedes-Benz Metris. Workbench came in for some windshield tint and side windows in 55% XR Plus. Keep these guys cool while they're at the marinas. Here we have this Shelby Cobra that's in for a partial front paint protection film installation and an 8-year Fusion ceramic coating install. Keep this looking nice.